Most people think project transition communication is just status updates and checklists. But here's the truth. Projects fail not because of the plan, but because of the handoff. In this video, I'm going to show you powerful communication strategies that no one's talking about, the ones that actually make a transition smooth. 1. The overlap strategy, shadowing windows. Instead of a hard cutover, have an overlap where the outgoing and incoming team work side by side. Example, shadow sessions, joint presentations, gradual ownership shift. 2. Mental model alignment, the story of the project. Don't just hand over documents, share the narrative of the project, the why and trade-offs made along the way. Do a 30,000 FT walkthrough where the new team retells the story in their own words. 3. Communication, debt audit. Every project has undocumented decisions. Before the handoff, run a workshop. What do we know but haven't written down? Make a communication backlog for the incoming team. 4. Reverse handoff, fresh eyes feedback. New teams shouldn't just accept everything. Invite them to critique and improve processes. Prompt, what would we do differently if we started today? 5. Emotional communication transitions involve people letting go and others stepping in. Celebrate the outgoing team, acknowledge challenges, and make space for concerns. 6. Communication about communication. Agree on how you'll communicate. Channels, escalation rules, response times. After 2 weeks, do a retro. Is our communication rhythm working? 7. Transition heat maps. Not all parts of a project are equal. Focus on high-risk areas with more communication. Create a visual heat map of risk to guide intensity. 8. Fail-safe fallback plan. Things will go wrong. Define emergency contacts, escalation paths, and fallback windows. If you want your project transitions to succeed, don't just pass the files. Pass the story, the trust, and the clarity. Try one of these strategies in your next transition and watch the difference. And if you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which strategy you'll use first.